What the fuck did the door Moria need? Just speak the Elvish word for friend.
Speak friend and enter.
Yeah, then, you know, like, meet a bunch of fucking corpses.
And a cave troll.
Reads, doors of Durin, Lord of Moria. Speak friend and enter.
It's a riddle. What's the Elvish word for friend?
Melon.
You're
You're Legolas.
No, I'm not.
Oh yeah, you are.
Okay.
What do we do? Oh, we fight them right here. Stab it, punch it. Punch it louder, come on, don't stop and get it going. Why? Do the way we do it. La 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 la. Punch it. Oh no, I'm drowning.
I need someone else. I need a knife.
Is just like standing in the water like, oh, it's quite nice out here. Get that glowy part.
Get that glowy part. Come on. You got it.
Get that glowy part. Yeah, it's easier with a sword, I think.
Yeah.
Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking dick.
Suck my dick. Suck my motherfucking dick, man. Oh god, we're playing. If anything, I can say that this cat was wearing a thought. Now forget it, y'all.
Soon, Master Elf, you will enjoy the fabled hospitality of the dwarves. Roaring fires, red meat off the bone. Into the mines! We now have but one choice. We must face the long dark of Moria. This, my friend, is the home of my cousin Balin, and they call it a mine. A mine! Huh? Give me! No. 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 Oh. Here lies Balin, son of Fundin, Lord of Moria. It's as I feared.
We must move on. We cannot linger.
Alright, Gandalf, you need that gear, but I swear I found it. You made it.
There's the gear. I got it.
Okay, give it to me.
Here, take it. Take it.
I'm trying. Just, nope, you do it.
Okay. Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? Is it going?
Oh, I changed characters.
You're looking for. You're not Gandalf?
No, I'm over here in the corner.
What? Who's just this? I can't do this with Sam. Should I be Gandalf?
Maybe?
Does Gandalf do something?
Wait, maybe I'll go to Gimli.
Oh, you had the thing. That's right.
Fool of a took.
Frodo.
Orcs.
Goblins in the Mines of Moria, but they don't distinguish really in them. They say goblins, I think.
They
but
do
they
in the
don't
movie.
look any different than
Oh,
the
we should
goblins.
probably, like, you know... Why am I
do
still
whatever
giggling?
we're supposed to be doing.
Oh, I'd like to be Legolas, please. Who's supposed to, like... Oh, well... We just wait? Oh, here we go.
Yeah, we can shoot some things. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, you grabbed the thing. I was like, can I hit you?
I need help. I'm still hanging.
You need help?
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Just jump off, I guess?
I don't know what it did.
Oh, wait, I can do it too.
What's it do? Jump off really quick. Oh. It's something up front by the door.
There we go. I was like, I can't
Ready?
stop.
We're gonna jump together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Maybe I have to be a hobbit?
They have a cave troll. Follow me.
X.
Square, square, square.
I mean, that's what I'm pressing. I just always say X when I mean to say square. I don't know why. That was a good geometry student.
Pippin needs to... I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do. Oh, you could build something.
No, I saw that. You can build something. I can't.
No. I guess only the hobbits can build things.
Legolas runs away. All his problems.
Legolas, don't need your bullshit. Who needs to be here? Oh, I'm back on its head.
Oh, that means I have to go. I exploded.
Back on its head. Ay. So crazy.
I need you to hit square a couple more times.
Sorry.
Teamwork. How many times do we have to do this?
I'm gonna guess 3.
Oh, fuck you.
Okay, we haven't been. Yeah, here we go. Last one. I'm assuming.
He's alive.
I think there's more to this hobbit than meets the eye. Mithril. To the bridge of Khazad-dûm.
Fuck, we got so much company. Oh, it's still a...
Someone doing something?
No.
I'm still Kevin or Mary.
I'm Legolas.
I am going to switch that up.
So high.
Where the fuck am I? I did not switch. Why did that?
I'm Aragorn.
Wait.
Where's
Okay,
Aragorn?
now I'm Boromir. I was like, what? Okay, I guess we're just following Gandalf around.
He's got a protection. Where the fuck am I?
in circles around Gandalf. Oh,
Sorry. Made you.
that's good.
Sing the path. Kill all the bitches. Bitches being goblins. Give me your life. I want that. I want it. Fuck you.
Oh, it's Gimli. Oh, Gimli, you're so cute. I just want to give you hugs.
Hobbit's fucking leading the way.
I know, look at Frodo. He's just like,
I have no care for my life. Crouches
Fuck
out.
out of shit. Give me some gin. Wait, where am I? I'm lost. Oh, there I am.
Like, I think I'm killing things. I killed all.
A bell rung. A demon of the ancient world. His foe is beyond any of you. Run!
And Aragorn. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Pippin can use his bucket to collect water from the Lego pools. You want to be Pippin? You want me to be Pippin?
Yeah, I don't care. Who wants to be Pippin?
I'll be Pippin.
Alright.
Now where do I go? To the fire?
I guess so. What's this?
Okay, I did my job.
Can you...
Oh, we need Gandalf. I got this. Just give me the fucking bearded man! Where am I supposed to aim it?
Oh, you match it up with the correct
Yeah, I found
thing?
it. But that's the right one!
Maybe it's on the other side? I guess they're actually all the same. Oh, it goes on the purple thing!
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh.
But it won't... You be Gandalf. Fuck this shit. I'm Gimli.
Okay.
Maybe you have to, like, put it here?
Wait. No, don't do that again. Press it. Okay. There we go!
Oh, I have the gear. I have the gear.
I can't stop doing this. I can't stop
Hit
doing
zero.
it.